Siri.
Siri no kuo.
Siri.
I'm here.
Okay, Siri, I need to talk to Onjeri.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Hey!
Could you please repeat it?
I say need to work Onjeri. You know, and it is a big deal.
Okay, Siri, can you talk to me?
It is a big deal.
Tell Siri most.
Mawe adwa na record.
Wait, tell Siri most. Come
Ah,
on. Siri, can you talk to me?
Siri nitanga.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay,
now-
we understand. Gima wacho. No, let me just talk to him. Abro chwanya record kayem. Siri, be a neighbor.
Nyathino
Be
kano
a
Siri.
nani?
Okano Siri mag ji. Ibu tell mos.
Siri ndapendi.
Siri,
Siri
can you
ndio.
listen to me?
Ngoja kwanza.
Uwoyo.
If you like, I can search the web for.
Okay, do you know
We
Onjeri?
understand Siri, but never.
Siri, don't be a bullshit.
You want to talk to Onjeri? Do you know Onjeri?
I don't know how to respond to that.
Hey!
Do you know Onjeri? Who do you know?
Hey, who do you know? Siri. Ilungenia.
I'm here.
We are asking, do you know Onjeri? Do you know Onjeri?
I don't have an answer for
Shame on you.
Mokwongo osechwanya wawuo kode. Siri.
Sorry, I
Siri.
didn't quite catch that.
Didn't quite catch ngoa.
Usafanya makosa ne.
You didn't quite catch ngoa. Ike Onjeri. You don't know me. Do you know who is a who? Ka who?
Eti wacho ne mang'eny.
Siri okuone mang'eny. Baba imegi Siri nini hapa ni Siri nuserugo.
Siri bi ng'ama duong' adier.
Userugi Siri. No, hapana userugi Siri.
Sorry, I
Don't you want
missed
to
that. Could you say it again, please?
You know
Do
what?
we wuondori awacho gima seyagene niya ing'e Onjeri marom nade.
Siri wacho ni say it again. Chali in one dere.
I seem to be having.
Ada kwere.
Sorry about that.
This about that. Me go mana chaya. Me go Iku ni Gini wacha kene Siri, ma Onjeri, ema wuo kodi. Do you know me?
I don't have an answer for that.
Ingeni
Is
kino
there
chaji.
something else I can help with?
Siri but no. Sat.
Osat.
Be very disciplined to grass very fast.
Hapa ni Siri ni ungeru go. Ninge mokwongo anyino wuo koda.
How to respond to that?
You cannot know how to understand that of
Inda
course,
kuku
my
kodi
dear.
gachaya. Anochako gane Inda kuku kodi gachaya. Ngoma ano chaya.
Catch that. Could you please repeat?
Do you know me?
Penyo nyulo.
I don't have an answer.
Siri, forget about catching. You are not a goalkeeper.
Okay, Siri.
Don't catch. Don't catch. Let's talk. Do you know Onjeri? Simple. Help us.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Nikech Onjeri say that no kode out some other day. We say that true caller. Machine or you are
Funny and
anything.
good keeper. I couldn't quite catch that. Hey! Kele Siri ni. Siri ni tomo.
I'm not sure I'm hearing you correctly. My apologies.
Apologies ni ng'eny Siri.
I'm not sure I understand.
Ang'eyo but you are being danda.
Hey!
Sorry, I missed that.
Don't be a danda.
I don't want for much.
Okay, kata ka in for much no. Siri geni biri chemo no biro do maroma by the way.
Sorry, I missed that. Could you say it again, please?
Awacho
Apologies.
okay.
I couldn't hear what you said.
Wawe ane awacho ni.
Don't meet Onyulo is looking for you scathingly and it will be hectic.
I'm
Umani.
not sure I'm
But
hearing
heck,
you
kabisa.
correctly.
Bas.
Don't interrupt. Shut up and go to your
No. Let me tell Siri one thing. Adaru ko ngeno adaru tugo koda.
Magajo mano loso iPhone ki walo don't scrub my name. Don't scratch my airtime. Don't scratch my airtime. Daune ka kidwaro long press.
Angalong kai.
Siri.
Binyeni an gi Siri adi. You are listening makanga.
Kai tiguru lweti.
Inyeni an gi Siri adi. An gi Siri mang'eny. Engima na kama
My
beren.
phone first.
Ma Siri mane. Nyisago.
Don't be a danda my dear.
See, yeah.
That's not nice.
Okay, mangisi ni don't be a danda my dear.
And that's not nice. Kono panwa usomo.
Sorry, I missed that. Could you say it again, please?
Okwajo nice and lovely. One work you. That's not nice, man. It can one nice because one
Having
money.
trouble hearing you.
Yeah, no.
Siri waja madongo by the way onyuola chon.
Kendo kwa nyithindo wani. Siri.
I don't have an answer for that.
Top of the bullshit.
And can you come back and rewind again selector because you are becoming a nuisance.
Pulo.
Sorry.
Siri pulo.
You are becoming a nuisance. Do you know who a nuisance is?
Idwa wuo kode.
Oduoko.
Tame.
Don't get no charge.
Siri pulo. Owinjo.
Ati
I can
anga.
help you find restaurants if you turn on location services. Go to privacy settings.
Restaurant mane midwa dhiwa wan.
And pesa mara de chulo.
Nige pesa.
What are the restaurant?
Okay, what are they? Okay.
Sawa chulo.
I
Chulo.
didn't catch that.
We want to go.
We want to go. How much can you pay for us? I take Guinea.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, bia ariyo, yani kila ng'ato.
Kila ngato bia.
Sorry, I couldn't quite.
Two bia, yani taska.
And nyama choma.
I seem to be having trouble hearing you.
Nyama choma.
Two for nil, yani one wasema da ngwen tupuki meto.
Siri ni okwero golo pesa. Wengine meuko ni okowinjo niketo
I
wacho.
don't know where that is.
Not
Okay,
where.
kama jidhi, maugik modhi madho kanyo. Wanyalo dhi meto kama wadwaro.
Kati orwa.
I hear you.
Siri ornwa pesa.
Fuo kadau kendo nyama choma gibia ngwen.
I'm a virtual assistant, not an actual person. But you can still talk to me.
Oh, kare gima wacha. Kare magima na
Inga.
Mage jo virtual. Apenji. By the way, virtual kanya de nyako majaber. Apene. Siri.
Okoni ni virtual assistant. Koro wamanyi.
Siri.
Okoni ni assistant na virtual. Niso ni kare virtual ni manige pesa. An assistant mar virtual. No se virtual. Penye kuma virtual ni
Okay, Siri onjiri yero wuo kodi.
Virtual ni kanye. Ni kain assistant mar virtual. Tuambie virtual lako wapi?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Virtual kama virtual train.
Kiko ni assistant mar virtual. Niso
Eh.
virtual ni manige
Tell
pesa.
us, kitwa
Interesting question.
interesting mane mi wanyako no.
Virtual ni manige pesa. In kono odhio miwa bia riyo
Which
gigirimo.
one?
Virtual to ngama nade ngama wi.
Upenyo ni vichwa.
Siri.
Ingini mang'eny. Ingini mang'eny. Upenyo ni vichwa.
Okay, si we Monday Siri.
I'm not sure I understand.
We Monday manle set up to for a minute.
Sorry, I missed that.
Siri, do you know my age? Bracket.
I'm not sure I'm hearing you correctly.
Yani bracket manovero yori bekia.
I didn't catch that.
The people that sing yori for you.
Apendi.
Nigeria.
Siri ni. En goalkeeper. Oko catch kick moko.
I'm not sure I understand.
Shut up and get back in that letter and write your PO box immediately before the teacher.
You are a goalkeeper who can't catch anything. I didn't catch that.
Describe Ongado. Icha kigocho ni. Ongado.